Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're here for another video today, and today we're doing one of the big mods on the Abarth 505, and it is in the boot. So let's just get straight into it. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll show you what we're doing now. Yo guys, so basically what we just done is quickly took the seats out. There's no point showing you because you know how to take seats out. It's literally just a few bolts. So what we've done is just a couple of 16 mils, two on the side, on each side, two 16 mils on the bottom, and then an Allen key in the middle, and that should remove this whole bit here on the floor. Just there, so the top bench. So now your plan is to either get the bottom bench, or if you're leaving it, you're leaving it. It's up to you. But that is how you do it to begin with. So yeah guys, I'll do a quick video when I'm fitting the K-brace in, but this stuff's all basic stuff, you know, it's not rocket science. So yeah, bench is out, 16 mils, alright.
Hey,
That way.
standing up, up way.
That way.
That's it. We got there in the end, didn't we?
Now you're going to get that other bolt in, Luke.
Alright guys, so we're back a few days later now, because basically the weather got so bad, so we couldn't even film. Everything was blowing everywhere and it was just getting soaking wet. But basically, if you come in here now and just check in here, you can see that all the seats are removed, and all you have to do here now is basically you've got to cut some plastic, because you need to get access into this bolt down here, and the K-brace won't fit unless you cut that plastic away. So obviously it's your choice if you want to cut it. It's not that bad, it's literally nothing, you won't even notice once it's all in. So basically I'm going to show you a quick video now of me getting that done. Let's get into it. So guys, basically that's the plastic cut now. We used an electric cutter because it was easier than using a knife. People in the Abarth group chat were saying they were using butter knives, but that's bullshit. No way, no way. So I've dry fitted it now and it fits. All I've got to do now is fit the brackets on the inside and bolt it into the floor. So I'll get a best video I can of me doing that. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers. You know, big boy numbers. So yeah, be much appreciated. Let's get right into it. Alright, so guys, that is it. The K-brace is in the car, and I must say it is looking sick. I haven't driven my car properly yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug a video later on in the week, and I'm going to do a full review on the Abarth Motorsport K-Brace for the Abarth, so you guys can check it out. I'll give you my opinion on how it fits and how, if I feel any difference in the car or whatever. But I'll do a video on that. So stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, right? That was a pig to fit. Like, that was hard. That was very hard to fit. But then I guess the tighter it is and the harder it is to fit, the better it will probably work. I'm hoping so anyway, because that literally took like, well, over the course of 2 days just to fit it. Just some quick tips if you are gonna buy this. Open out the brackets, because once you get the K-brace into the car and it's inside both brackets, the holes aren't big enough for the bolts to go through, so we had to take it out again and drill through both of the holes to allow clearance for the screws and bolts to go through. So that's one tip I can give you there for fitting it. Also, it's tight as fuck, and you're gonna have to cut your car up a bit. So you've seen in the previous clips that we had to chop away some plastic. To be honest, guys, it doesn't make much difference, so I wouldn't be too worried about doing that at all. But in all honesty, I'm impressed. Other than how hard it was to fit, which it is, because I'm not going to lie, I am impressed. It does look great, and it's sturdy as shit. Like, I was grabbing it and shaking it. No rattling whatsoever. It doesn't make any noise whatsoever, because I've been driving to work, but it's just one straight road. So I'm going to do a full first review of me driving the car properly, and you guys can see my opinion on that. But yeah, other than that, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you're liking the ones we're rolling out recently. Like I said, the mods are just going to keep on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm going to try to do some voiceovers of the edits, just so I can tell you what we're doing, because it was quite hard to film and get it done at the same time. So hopefully I've got some voiceovers in the video for you guys, just explain what we're doing in the parts I'm editing. But yeah, big shout out to Abarth Motorsport. I've been talking to the guy because I was stressing that it wasn't going to fit and all this. But yeah, we've done it, mate. So appreciate you contacting back and everything. But yeah, it's all in. It looks great. So big shout out to you. And to all the people in the Abarth group chat that are saying that they don't fit well, I think you might be fitting them wrong, because they definitely do fit well. You've just got to use a bit of your brain and fabricate it in your car yourself, because at the end of the day, they're handmade. They're all going to be slightly different. So everyone that's saying they're rattling, for me, no. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of next month, and it'll be great if we could do so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.